Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install BigCommerce, start by visiting the BigCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill out the registration form with your email, password, and store name. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once redirected, you will be prompted to complete your store setup. Fill in basic business information, including addresses and contact details. Choose the type of business you are operating, whether it's retail, B2B, or a different model. Select how you plan to sell your products, either online only or with physical locations. Next, pick a plan that suits your needs, starting with the 7-day free trial option. After selecting your plan, enter your billing information to activate your trial. You will be taken to your BigCommerce dashboard upon completion. Now, customize your store's design by navigating to the Store Design section. Choose a pre-made theme from the BigCommerce marketplace or upload your own. Make adjustments to your theme settings, including colors, fonts, and layout. Once you are satisfied with the design, save your changes. Next, navigate to the Products section to start adding items to your store. Click on Add Product and fill in the necessary details for each item. Upload high-quality images of your products to enhance their appeal. Set pricing, inventory levels, and any variations you may have. When all product details are entered, save each product and continue. Now, set up your payment gateways by going to the Payments section. Choose the payment methods you want to offer your customers, such as credit cards or PayPal. Follow the prompts to connect your payment processors. Next, configure your shipping settings in the Shipping section. Select your shipping methods and set up any necessary rates. To finalize your store, go to the Settings section and review your store settings. Adjust general settings like your store name, URL, and tax information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.